Hi again, everyone. I'm Mike Konrad, member of the SMTA Global Board of Directors and Vice President of Communications. I'm back with your SMTA update for September 2025. Here's what's happening across our global SMTA community. Election results for SMTA Global Board of Directors are in. We have 3 new board members: Satharsham Subramaniam from SMT Elite Corporation, Pritesh Patel from Electronic Interconnect, and Elizabeth Benedito from HP. Congratulations to our newest board members. They join the rest of the board: Greg Vance, our SMTA president from Rockwell Corporation, Mike Konrad, that's me, from Aqueous Technologies, Mumtaz Bora from P-Semi, Dr. Priyanka Dobriel from Light Matter, Maurice Dorr from Vallejo, Jason Keeping from Celestica, Dr. Adam Klett from Kaizen Corporation, Tom Revere from Lockheed, and Kirk Vandriel from Plexus Corporation. On Monday, September 1st, the Taiwan chapter will host a Students and Young Professionals workshop. The workshop mainly focuses on sharing ideas. Professors and students will learn about the research being conducted in other groups and discuss which resources can be shared. Several professors from outside groups will also be invited, with the hope of recruiting them to join SYP. The event will invite experts to share topics of career and professional development and potential job or internship opportunities. There will be raffles, giveaways, and free food and drinks. This event runs from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. On Saturday, September 6th, the Querétaro chapter will host an SMTA hand soldering workshop. 2 days of practice and learning at the IPI CYT SMTA laboratory. This event runs from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. On Wednesday, September 10th through Thursday, September 12th, the Guadalajara chapter will host the SMTA Process Certification course. This runs daily from 8:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Also on Wednesday, September 10th, the Long Island chapter will host its annual Expo and Technical Forum at the Marriott Melville Hotel in Melville, New York. There will be 3 technical presentations on the subjects of how AI can accelerate R&D for solder paste formulations, thermocouple tactics, a comparative study of attachment methods, and selective soldering trends and techniques for complex applications. Registration opens at 9:30 a.m. and lunch will be provided. Beginning Thursday, September 11th, and each Thursday through October 30th, SMTA will host a leadership and communication training series. The course objectives following the Maxwell Leadership Training Program include self-leadership, team leadership, and organizational leadership. This is a virtual event, so no travel is required. On Thursday, September 11th, the Huntsville chapter will host a webinar on managing obsolescence, working with the secondary market safely. This webinar runs from 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. Central Time. On Friday, September 12th, the India chapter will host a technical event in New Delhi, Building the Future of Electronics Manufacturing. Join industry experts and thought leaders as they explore the latest developments in electronics manufacturing, from solder joint reliability and chiplet integration to RF packaging failures and smart factory innovations. This is a unique opportunity to gain technical insights, discover emerging trends, and connect with professionals shaping the future of electronics in India and beyond. This event takes place from 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the Sheraton New Delhi in New Delhi, India. Also on Friday, September 12th, SMTA will host its monthly Water Cooler Friday Zoom sessions from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Central Time. If you're an SMTA officer, join us and chat with other officers and board members. Ask those questions you've always wanted to ask. And on Tuesday, September 16th, we're back in India, this time in Bangalore, for Building the Future of Electronics Manufacturing technical event taking place from 8:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. On Wednesday and Thursday, September 17th and 18th, the Guadalajara chapter will host its annual Expo and Technical Forum at the Expo Guadalajara Salon Jalisco in halls D and E in Guadalajara. This event runs from 11 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. On Wednesday, September 24th through Thursday, September 25th, the Penang chapter will host its annual Expo and Technical Forum at the iconic Marjorie Hotel in Penang, Malaysia. And start working on your golf drive. On Wednesday, September 24th, the Wisconsin chapter will host its 7th annual golf outing at the Ironwood Gold Course in Sussex, Wisconsin. The event runs from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. with a shotgun start at 11 a.m. Both lunch and dinner will be provided. On Friday, September 26th, the Dallas chapter will host a technical luncheon on the subject of cleaning assessment for reliable PCBAs. This event runs from 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. at Albaca's Italian Grill in Richardson, Texas. On Tuesday, September 30th, from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m., the Ontario chapter will host a webinar on the subject of costly, controversial ESD myths, Part 2. This webinar runs from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. Eastern Time. And mark your calendars, coming this fall in October, SMTA International 2025, October 19th through 23rd at the Rosemont Exhibition Center in Rosemont, Illinois. This year's conference features approximately 90 technical presentations across 6 focused tracks: additive manufacturing, advanced packaging, low-temperature soldering, manufacturing excellence, reliability in harsh environments, and test and inspection. Also offered at SMTAI will be 10 half-day professional development courses. This is SMTA's signature technical event, so don't miss it. To get more detailed information or to register for any of these events, visit smta.org/events. Not a member yet? Now is the perfect time to join SMTA. Membership includes access to over 5,000 searchable technical papers, on-demand webinars, 101 and 201 level training courses, which are now included for all members at no additional cost, SMTA certification courses, networking opportunities, unparalleled networking opportunities, career resources, and a global network of local chapters. Since we added training courses at no additional cost, members have responded enthusiastically, downloading content at unprecedented rates. It's all about serving our members. If your company is already an SMTA corporate member, ask for your login credentials to start enjoying full access. Individual memberships are also available for just pennies a day. Visit smta.org for details or to register for upcoming events. Well, that's it for your September update. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in October.